What if we told you that you could make 10K a month from YouTube? You'd probably laugh, right? Well, we're about to share some of the secrets being used by content creators to earn serious money. And it's never been easier. Watch this step-by-step guide right through as we explain the whole process. From choosing your niche to uploading your first video. And the beauty of this process. You can make faceless YouTube automation channels using free AI tool. We'll start with deciding what the channel is going to be about. Choosing your niche. If you get this wrong, you're literally wasting your time. So here's what you're going to do. Using vidIQ or ChatGPT, ask them to generate 100 highly profitable and successful YouTube niches. Take a note of the ones that are of interest to you. If you're into movies, go for that. Or maybe you're a fitness fanatic. Whatever you're into, make a decision. Once you've selected your niche, you'll need to decide on your channel name. It's important to make sure you check YouTube first, just in case there's already a channel out there with the name you want to use. Try using a name that sounds catchy, something that'll be easy to remember, like this one, Top AI Tool. Now you're going to need to create your YouTube channel, and you'll need a Gmail account for this. You're going to need to enter an initial description for your channel, and to do this you could use ChatGPT to write the text for you. Next up is channel branding. Using a free AI tool like Leonardo, you can use their text-to-image feature to generate the type of image you want, or go to Canva and make your own. It takes a few minutes, but it's pretty straightforward. Once you're satisfied with the branding you've created, download the images and then upload them to your channel. You'll now have your YouTube logo and channel banner. It's all starting to happen. At this point, you'll need to verify your channel. That requires a mobile phone number and only takes a few seconds. Once all it's done, you're ready for the next step, and here's where we're letting you in on some seriously cool tricks of the trade. Before that, please subscribe to our channel, guys, so we can keep sharing the best AI tools that you can use for making money. Ever heard of keywords? These will make or break your channel, so pay attention. This is critical. Keyword research is one of the most important parts of this whole process, and without doing this, your channel will not get off the ground. It's that simple. You're going to need at least 20 keywords relating to your channel. This is going to be a word or a set of words that relates to the content you intend to share. To give you an example, if you're into the fitness niche, you'll want to choose the word fitness, or maybe fitness motivation, or 30-minute workout, that kind of thing. Once you have 20 or so of these keywords, go to a tool called vidIQ. This tool will deliver all the best keywords that you can use to make sure your channel achieves liftoff. Hit the keywords section at the top of the page and enter in your first channel keyword. vidIQ will then tell you whether those keywords you've chosen are likely to be successful. It knows this by checking the YouTube algorithm for search volume and how much competition's out there against the individual keyword. If nobody's searching for that keyword or there's too much competition for it, you'll need to try different ones until you hit the jackpot. Ideally, you're going to need a keyword with over 50K search volume per month and lower than 50 for competition. Keep doing that until you've got about 20 keywords that fit that approximate criteria. Now we're moving on to the really fun part, how to make your AI-generated videos. You'll need to use your keywords to get video ideas, and it's a good idea to look at existing YouTube videos in your niche to see what's working. Try to find a video that's gone viral, and use that as a starting point. Don't just copy it directly. Put your own spin on it, be original, or YouTube ain't gonna pay out. You can even use ChatGPT to generate some popular video ideas. So, you've got your video ideas, now for the script. You could write the script yourself, but let's be real, not everyone has the time or skill set. So why not ask ChatGPT to generate a video script? And here's a bonus tip. Be specific with your GPT prompts. Add different elements to your prompts, like the length of script you require or the type of tone you want. Once you're done, we recommend you paste the output into a Google Doc, read it through, and make the necessary edits so that it sounds more human. Before we get to the next step, please hit the subscribe button and stick around until the end as we share some more secrets that will take your videos next level. Next step, your words need a voice. Most YouTube automation channels hire voice actors from Upwork or Fiverr, but they can cost a fair bit depending on your budget. So why not use new AI tools like 11 Labs or Play HT instead? You can either use the default AI voices they provide or design your own unique voice. We'll use 11 Labs just as an example. Make an account on 11 Labs. Go to the Voice Lab section and click on Add Generative or Cloned Voice. Press the Voice Design option and you'll see some custom settings like the gender, age, or accent. Set everything according to your preferences and click on Generate. 11 Labs will allow you to generate voiceovers up to 10,000 characters per month, free of charge. But if you really want to be successful on YouTube, you'll probably need to purchase one of their plans. Have a look at the text-to-speech options out there and decide which is best for you. Moving on to the next step, video editing. And here you can get creative in lots of ways. First editing option. Go to Canva and open the YouTube video option. Firstly, you'll need to choose a background, which you can do by going on the Elements section from the left bar. Choose the one you like and add a character through the text-to-image option, then type in a prompt. Select an image, download it, and go to a background remover website, like removal.ai or Adobe. Remove the background and add it on top of the background you just made. Adjust the image and download it. Now go to Google and type DID. Go to Start Free Trial, then click on Create Video and add your image. Type in your script and you'll generate both a video and the audio. This will deliver an AI-generated narrator, but there's a character limit, so here's a cheat code. Go to the audio option and upload custom audio that you made on 11 Labs. And there you go, you've made a YouTube video from scratch using only free AI tools. If you're still wondering how to make videos using AI, simply find relevant stock videos, photos, or other visuals that fall under the fair use policy of YouTube. Then combine them using a video editing tool like Synthesia. But in order to be original, you should add commentary to existing footage, or you could add a narrative AI model by searching DID on Google. In order to increase the retention rate and keep your viewers engaged in every possible way, add captions. Use CapCut Auto Caption, or go to Vidio and then upload your video. Select the style and font of the caption you prefer and download it. Next step in the process, add music. Applying music to a video can really elevate the content. But be warned, you do not want to get into any copyright issues. So use a free AI music generator like Stroff to get original music in just a couple of clicks. With Stroff, you can customize unique music using different moods to suit your requirement. Before we tell you the next hush-hush, and one of the most crucial steps, please hit that subscribe button, guys. Thumbnails. Not that kind. YouTube thumbnails. These are the reason people will click on your video or not. Have a look at thumbnails for viral videos in your niche. You'll notice they all have something in common. They're simple, eye-catching, and make you want to know more. Not too many words, if any. Not too much going on, but enough to make your viewer curious. Make them pop. They have to catch the eye, so consider using bright, contrasting color. You can make your own thumbnails with the help of Canva, or hire a freelancer on Upwork or Fiverr. Make sure the final thumbnail is set to 1280 by 720 pixels. Okay, you're done with video production, so go to YouTube, and if you're using a PC, top right, click on your logo and you'll see an option for YouTube Studio. Click on it and go to Upload Videos. If you're using your phone, you can upload from the app. And now for the optimization. You need to get YouTube to promote your video. Search engine optimization. Go and ask ChatGPT to generate some keywords for your video. Then ask it to generate a title and a description based on these keywords. Then schedule your video to be published. Repeat that process. Stay focused, stay consistent, and you'll be making money with AI in no time.